happy morning. Once again, I welcome you all in yet another new class, and this is our numeracy class. Okay, children. So in numeracy, we are going to learn numbers. So far, we had learned numbers up to 80, and today we are going to do the recapitulation of numbers from 51 to 80. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you the number cards, and you have to say what number is that. Okay, ready? 51, good. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Very good. Okay, now we are going to see numbers from 61. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay, good. Next we'll see from number 71. Okay, so 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Okay, so we had did the counting, we had said the numbers, and next we'll move on to the counting activity. So as I said that we are going to do the counting activity. So dear parent, this counting activity is very important. Senior class, I didn't received any counting activity. I want to see your counting activity video. So here in school we used to have the ice cream sticks for counting activity. In home we may not have counting this one ice cream sticks. But instead of ice cream sticks, we must have birds in our house. So you can make the bundle of birds 10 in one bundle. Okay, so one bundle means 110. Okay, so and you have to keep it ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bundles ready and 9 loose sticks. So I had kept 8 bundles and 9 loose sticks ready. So you can make 8 bundles of buds and 9 loose bundles buds. And ask your kids to count. So for example, I have here 55. So 55 means 5 tens, 5 ones. So 5 tens, one bundle means 1 tens. So here I have to pick 5 tens. I'm going to pick 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have picked 5 tens. Next I have to take 5 ones. So from the loose sticks I'm going to take 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 tens, 5 ones, 55. So in this way you have to make your kids count in your house. Okay, next I'm going to show you another number, 70. So here we do have 7 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so I have to pick 7 tens. That means 7 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had counted and kept 7 bundles separately. And you have to pick 0 ones. 0 means, what's the value of 0? 0 means nothing. So you need not to pick any single bud or single stick. Okay. So 7 bundles is already. So 7 tens, 0 ones. That means 70. Okay. Now we are going to do this activity with yet another number, and this is 78. 78 means 7 tens, 8 ones. So I'm gonna pick 7 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bundles I have picked. Next I have to take 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 tens and 8 ones. 7 tens, 8 ones makes 78. So this is how the counting activity will go with the senior kids. So parent, make sure that the kids are doing this activity, and I want this video. So please senior parent, you can make this video and upload it. Okay. Next we are going to write numbers in box note. So kids, take out your box note and put today's date. Take a fresh page, put today's date 17/11/20. Okay. So parent, what I want you to write here, say and write numbers from 51 to 60. In one page you have to write 51 to 60, leave one line and then write tens ones, leave one column. You can leave 2 columns, tens ones, leave 2 columns, tens ones. Just leave 2 columns and write tens ones, like this. Tens ones, tens ones. Here I have this much of space only. So I have left 1 column. But you need to leave 2 columns. Okay. So 3 times it will come. In one page you have to write, say and write numbers from 51 to 60. Next page, say and write numbers from 61 to 70. Then turn the next page and write, say and write numbers from 71 to 80. And tens ones, leave 2 columns, tens ones, leave 2 columns, tens ones. In one page you have to write 3 times 51 to 60. In this page you have to write 61 to 70 for 3 times. And the last page you have to write 71 to 80 for 3 times. Okay. And let's see, this is how you have to write. So tens ones, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. So you have to write 51 to 60 in one page for 3 times. Then go to the next page and write on the top, say and write numbers 61 to 70 and write tens ones for 3 times and write 61 to 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Then turn the next page and write, say and write numbers from 71 to 80. And then you have to write from 71 to 80 for 3 times. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. So write these numbers in your box note and take a picture of it and send it in the group. Okay children, so I'm going to meet you in the next class. Until then, you take care of yourself. Bye.